What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is another special video because it's not going to be on this car today. It's actually going to be on this one. So the reason for this video is to clean up these headlights. Yes, if you look at those headlights, it just looks totally nasty, like nasty. So I got this thing here. All right, we're gonna try this out. So this is more of a review because the interesting thing for this is you do not need any tools. It's literally just like wipes and stuff like that. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. So first thing to do is to clean this car up because look how dirty it is. It's all dirty, grimy. Let's give it a wash, at least just the headlights. And then we can clean the headlights. But you know, we'll do a proper car wash later on. But I don't want to waste too much time now, so we'll just do a little clean on the headlights. And then we'll get going with the cleanup. All right, let's open up this box. Okay, first of all, some little instructions here. Okay, then inside, there you go. It's good. It says step one, step one, step one, step one. So there's total of 8. And okay, this is step 3. We're jumping too quick. There you go. Step 2. Let's see what step 2 is. All right, you got a little nice tool. You put certain brushes here. You put in the back. It does come with some rubber gloves here, so that's pretty cool. And then the step 3 is the ceramic clear coating itself. There's 2 of them, so I guess 1 per headlight. So the cool thing about this kit here, it has a little QR code right here, see, and it actually gives you instructional steps here how to do the cleaning. So yeah, you need more additional assistance, go ahead and use your phone and it'll open up the tutorial on how to clean it up. All right, so to get started, first thing you want to do is actually put some masking tape around the headlight because the chemical, I guess, used on, you don't want to get it on the paint of the vehicle because, you know, it might wear it out, things like that. So make sure you mask around the headlight first. So the first step, put your gloves on and then do step 1. Oops, step 1. So for step 2, we want to use these basically sandpaper, and I think this is like 200 grit, so they do recommend starting with the 200 grit, and according to the color, it's like the purplish color green, so the 200 grit should be this one. So we'll put that. All right. Okay. So when you have this, we actually want to scrub the headlight, but we do need to use water because this is wet sanding. So normally it's recommended to use a spray bottle, spray it there. Unfortunately, I don't have one currently, so we're just going to use the hose like on a mist setup, and then we'll do the sanding on the headlight. So as you can see during the sanding, it's like it took out a layer of it. Now you notice this little marking here. I think this was due to some type of situation where it's not even causing the discoloration of the headlight, but more it seems like it ate the surface. So this part I can't do. As you can see, it's like something sticky went on there, so I can't really do anything with that. But at least we're taking out the the discoloration of that fogginess, and that's what the important thing about this step is about. So the next step is to dry the headlight. Now what we're looking for is that fogginess. Since we use the sandpaper, we just want to make sure it's evened as possible. So if we get it dry, we're just looking at that fogginess, which we do see some fogginess now. It's like basically they cause some scratches. So, but which is okay. This is what we want because it took out a layer of that discoloration. So yeah, swipe it down. If you feel like maybe some areas needs to be redone, do it again. But just make sure it is a wet sand. So spray it a little bit wetness, and then work that side-to-side motion again. So also one thing to note is if there's areas you cannot reach, for example, like the inner parts of the headlight, you can go ahead and remove that pad and then just go ahead and clean it at the edges by hand. So yeah, don't be afraid to remove it from the hand tool, and then you could work your way on the edges here if need be. So for the next step, after the 2000 grit, you want to use the 3000 grit sandpaper, which is now the green one. So we got the special tool here, just clip it right on there, boom. All right, now this is like a finer sandpaper, so it'll help smooth out the roughness where it looks like really scratchy on there. So this is the next step. Now, I don't know about you, but damn, that thing is clean. Look at that. Because we'll compare it to this side. Ugly. Beautiful. Yo, I just got Amazon. Booyah! Car parts, baby, car parts. Thank you, Amazon. So when you are complete with step 2, using that other grit sandpaper, you do want to dry it out. So we'll actually just remove the tape here, the masking tape. Now it is highly recommended to dry the headlight area for at least an hour or two, or if you have some type of air dryer or something to blow the water, that'd be great to use as well. But Unfortunately, I don't have access to that at the moment. So we're just gonna let it dry for at least an hour, 2 hours, probably in the sun, so it'll dry quicker. And then that's when we do the last step. But now, of course, we only did one headlight. We gotta do the other side. All right, as stated before, we want to let this dry for a couple of hours or so. Basically, the drier the better when we do the final application on the headlights. So let's park it out in the sun somewhere and wait till it's dry.
2 hours later.
All right, we're at the final stretch, guys. Step number 3, the ceramic clear coating, I should say. So yeah, we wait till it was dry. It's been close to an hour now. I think it's dry, pretty dry enough to add this. So let's go ahead and do that and see what happens. So let's do the other side. You're just going little by little, overlapping slightly as well. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Whew. It's like it's brand new. So as for any wet application type of product, you want to let that cure for several hours. Probably stay out of the rain, stay out of the sun. Just nice shaded area, just as this car is right now. But if you look at it, look at how clean, see-through. That thing just looks sweet. So we'll see how long this nice clean look will stay on. I bought the product at Amazon during Prime Day, actually, in early October. So we'll see if this product is really good. But right now, as is, that thing looks clean. That thing is see-through, shiny, looks beautiful. So we'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, not too bad for this product. I thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But for now, keep smiling, be safe, and always stay driven. Peace.